Cheers. I always knew I was the shits. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Tia, and today we will be getting ready for this skate party that I'm going to tonight, but we're gonna throw a little stoner twist on it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and I'll be right back. That's much better. Now that I'm at the shower, I'm gonna go ahead and explain the rules. So each step in the process of me getting ready, I'm going to take a hit, whether that is from my or from my. So because we just got out the shower, that deserves one hit, and I'm gonna alternate between hitting a and hitting flour, and we're gonna start off with. And I will be taking a hit of the brand Concentrate Colorado, and this is Alien Chemtrail Wax. Look at this cute little card cap that I picked up in the shop. My trusty torch. Let's go ahead and take a hit. I don't really have very much to talk about, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a light makeup just because I am going skating and I don't want a whole bunch of shit on my face and then sweat it off. But I am gonna play some music while I go ahead and get ready, and I'll continue to keep track of how many hits I have to take. I'm gonna start off with my makeup and then do my hair. So now that the eyebrows are done, let's take another hit. Cheers. Gotta get some support. You rated me a 6. I was like, damn. I always knew I was the shits. Luckily, my ex ugly. Don't need no shirt now. Things we keep chasing, cause you're trying to see yourself. I see that you're searching for peace. Two things. I am so baked. Second, let's just go ahead and take another rip. You can't do myself from deserting love. You don't know how. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. When I look in your eye, all you hear is me. Because I am in the way. I'm pressing my clothes. I try to conclusion, it's all an illusion. Confusion's the name of the game. So on the shelf, go and love yourself, cause everything's gonna be alright. That scalp massage felt glorious. But I decided to pull up my hair before I take another rip because I don't really think I'm accident prone, but it's good to take precautions. Set free, friends who decided to part. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm just gonna finish up my hair. Like we always do at this time. I go for mine, I got to shine. Yeah, they say the best things in life are free. Girl, that you gotta get this. Having money's that everything that is. When I thought that I was gonna go crazy. Now my grandmama. I honestly don't remember if it was a dab or a bowl that I was supposed to take next. So I'm just gonna hit both. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm running a little bit late, so I gotta go ahead and go. If you liked it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next week.